Joto sini kapangni takuk tay bukuk song sini chobani sengkrak jodro tay joto warrior sok no khane hamjakma tay chobani chibai joto no specially blai ke hambai maro waise tini onek salni pore haino hai norok ni buskango Facebook live of finani nangkha tabuk je recently issue soli tongo je SIR ebakai nini kabangma molestations rape case rock sini Tripura state je soli tong mani tai recently the political development ebakai the political awareness a topics rock no salainani bagino tini norok ni buskango ang live ma phaike haisi khayo jotono kaham no tongna mani yang ni tongo network kisa issues ni bagi kasar-kasaro problem ang thango haipano strike hainai dati phapat kok salainya ni bagi tini ni first discussion ng kha SIR bono full form sanan thanga ka special intensive revision tabo kabang mo borok Tripura hastewo bo sung salai tongo demand khai tongo je Bihar ni state ni hai Tripura hastewo bo je SIR ebaka special intensive revisions no nangu hunai nai tabo kok sanan thanga angke special intensive revisions tamo eba particularly tangi Bihar high state simino obo lagu khlaijagai election commission of India ni hoite obosana khlaijagai tong tabo Biharo buskangni November manto je state assembly election ngnai o state assembly ingnani just sakang bongni state o kaisa election commission of India ni theke ebakai ECI ni simi kaisa SIR niti khlaijaka special intensive revision khlainani bagai je voter list rokno voters rokno accurate khayei tikhlaiei voters rokni soy genuine voters rokni rights no protect khainani bagi SIR tikhlaijaka aboni sei sekang sung saimano Bihar 2023 wo over haino revision khlaijaka bongni abo pore tabuk 22 years ni pore 2025 taise khlaijagi tongo tabo special intensive revision ni bisingto eba aboni sei sekang je Bihar ni scenario norok saimano election commissions of India ni hoite price 65 lakhs I repeat the number of the voters 65 lakhs electoral rule ni hoite tikhlaijaka electoral rule ni hoite delete khlaijaka recently ni kok saitong tabuk sanani thangkai Tripura hastini population as per the census report of 2011 were having only 37 lakhs whereas Bihar ro the recently election commission of India ni hoite the notifications eba delete khlaijak mani vote price 65 lakhs borok ni voters no delete khlaijak haisi aroni bisingo kabangma borok thijak tongo kabangma borok migrate ngi kubuni state rogo settle ngjak rok tongo kabangma borok fake voters agi je tongmani kaisa borok ni 3-4 ta constituency o voters sung tongkha aborok no norjak kha tai kabangma abo hai kaisa thui thangjak kaisa migrating thangjak kaisa kubuni hastewo no settle ngi tongkha aborok no normally pore price 65 lakhs voters delete khaijaka electoral rules ni hoite tabo sini Tripura bo jotono sung saimanu illegal immigrants ni tui ebakai je nini Bangladesh te Myanmar o duita desh ni bororo refugee je illegal immigrants rokno detect delayed te deport khainen bagai last time on rok saimang khana Minister of Home Affairs ni hoite kaisa je deadline tiklai japani 30 days ni bisingo kintu sung jotono saimano Tripura haste nini 856 kilometers sung Bangladesh border by share khaitong haisi tinta dik die tinta side judi illegal immigrants tonguno hongkangke Bangladesh ni illegal immigrants India wona habu hongkangke Delhi wo to thanglak bo sekang Punjab wo to thanglak bo sekang Rajasthan to thanglak sekang Gujarat to thanglak sekang biangti phainai boni gateway biangti lama biangti sida Tripura haste ni bisingtinyo borok hapnai nge tabu jotono saimano Tripura haste wo illegal immigrants ni songka busuk jorati bangri tongkha Punjab ni bororok aware ngo illegal immigrants no ti wana cinta nangjago Gujarat ni bororo illegal immigrants no ti tension nangjago Delhi wo tongnai bororo illegal immigrants ni ti tension nangjago haisi kintu Tripura haste wo aboni saipano bisi judi tong ga Tripura haste wo tong nge jemon Biharo 65 lakhs voter sokno delete khaima hai judi singbo chaitok mungtong khangkai government of pressure rimang khangkai election commission of India no pressure rimang khangkai sini o Tripura haste wo bo sung the illegal immigrants rok tongmani borok no sung delete khainani ma chaitok nai khorang mati sanai ek nge jotono pal baksa kama phaine haisi omorok no ti sing kothai buskango TTADC election nani thangi tong 2026 so it's very much important and crucial haisi just Miyani Keso the leader of opposition from the parliament Sri Rahul Gandhi kaisa press meet kraika press briefing khaika norok nukhana bini o press briefing ni bisingo sungtam saimangkha borok sample tiklaika Karnataka state o kaisa particular constituency wo the election conduct khlaimani fair ngi de tong genuine khai de tong na bahai ke abo 30000 kha bini a press briefing ni bisingo sung saimangkha prai kaisa constituency ni borok sample karimani total voters sangkai a constituency wo 6,59,826 voters o 6,59,826 voters ni bisingo 1,250 voters totally fake voters kaisa borok nita munukha kaisa particular borok 70 boshor ni boyos hose first form 6 kangke form 6 ni ko kangki sama sanai form 6 sangkai je borok puila vote ranani nai tongo first je voters rok kai form 6 no fill khaimani bisingte borok eligible ungu haise 70 boshor ni bororok pojonto se form 6 no fill khaye election no the vote money abo hairo case Mia leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ni bisingte singnukha kaisa borok ni house number hangka 0 kabangma abo hai botong nok ni address pojonto se krei house number hangka 0 bufani bumung tamo hangka bufani bumung krei picture qualities kam ke krei epic the voters list tong mani ajao kam ke krei ro nge tabuk nai nei di kaisa the fake voters 8 ingma bai hazar fake voters 8 ingma bai democracy war the constitution of India was this rights rezakha our rights rok jotono violating thau haisi tini Maharashtra hai jagao kabangma oba hai incident sungi tong situation prai 54 lakhs voters hai 8 ingi thangka just before the 6 month of state assembly of Maharashtra abon bagi Tripura wo joto sini Tripurani the real sound of Triprasa real sound of the state ro sung aware mangnai obonuti mokol khulugui vigilant mangnai haisi tangka of fake voters rok judi 8 ingi thangkang kang ke democracy is a right, voting is a right, voting ni rights number constitutions of India wo je sini songbidan no khoroksa borok only kaisa vote runani rights reja ka haisi kintu tini tamunuk kaisa borok kabangma voters list namai tini Madhya Pradesh vote khaitongo Maharashtra wa borok no borok vote khaitongo Bihar wa borok no borok vote khaitongo Karnataka wa borok no borok vote khaitongo aba hairo kabangma situation sing nugui tong haisi ngajate Tripura wa abo haita ang thu taba Tripura wa abo haita ang thu khlainya ni bagai tamo khlainya nang abo sing kisa discuss khlainya tabo je kono recognize political party ro state ni angkok saitongo borok ni annexer ni bising tui the first BLA kaisa constituency wo khoroktam BLA chongjak nai sabrok BLA the vote level agent o vote level agents rok ni daitto tongnai the khoroktam vote level agents kaisa constituency Romdi Mandai kaisa constituency Simna kaisa constituency Nini Majlispur kaisa constituency Telemora kaisa constituency Asrambari kaisa constituency Ramchandragat kaisa constituency abo hai kaisa constituency wo khoroktam boot level agent chongjak nai o boot level agent rok je khoroktam chongjak mani kaisa particular constituency wo second BLA rogo khetam khlainai borok je polling stations rogo kaisa borok chongjao nai haisi nga borok ni daitto tamo je BLO eba khai boot level officers rok bai kaham ka connection khlaiye coordinate khlaiye jotto je fake voters tongmani abono identify khaye delete khlainani tai katal voters rok je boys kaza 18 years rok ungjak rok plus ungjak rok borok no addition khlainani add khlainani tabo kabangma jaga wo kabangma constituency wo borok thimani pore a gthei ingmani pore bongni vote norjagya kho abo hairok tong abo hairok no BLA rok ni daitto tongnai borok delete khlainani so BLA means the boot level agent tongnai rok bo jesa political party ni phanong thu hoito bo BJP political party ning mano hoito Tipramotha political party ning mano hoito Congress political party ning mano CPIM political party ning mano je kono political party ning thu kintu borok blai khai responsible tongo bongni daitto tongo jate kaham kai cha thorui naitugui the genuine voters of ni rights no protect khlainani jodi abo haingya khai sini fake voters rok 8 ingnai delete khlaijak yangnai je kthingjak ro abono kuno political party rok faida nawi last digi fair ungla khaisi election so abon bagai BLA rok ni blai ke daitto tongo obrok no naituk nani o je sing SIR sanmani the special intensive revision a special intensive revisions rok no khayasini sakang no BLA rok ni thani blai ke kotor daitto tongo boro kaham krung khai nayi obono che thuri nayi je fake voters rok no identify khainani haisi right so buskangni election blai ke important o jorawo sini bagai jotto the citizens of Tripura tongnai rok real citizens tongnai rok obo hai rok no identify khainani bagai sung ma chai toknai haisi right so ang koinai jotto BLA je boror appoint khaijaknai je kono political party ni borok kaham krung khabono che thorui naye genuine babe borok identify khainani thu haisi so Bihar tabuk jemon kabama borok wana jago SIR eba special intensive revision ingmani pore baksa media ni bisingti sawo bong arobo je real genuine of citizen the voters ro document submit khaimani ani bagai voter list ni hoite delete khlaijak kha Tripura wo kabangma tipra sarok sini tongui tongo documents kaham kai khlaijagya documents kaham kai krei bongni situation tamung nai bongni condition tamung nai tabo as per the SIR ni bisingo kabama prai 12 ta hai aro list khlaijaka document nini passport tabo recently order no yet khainen bagai opposition political party ro pressurize khaima by borok tabung sinai nini birth certificate ro 1987 ni pore je parents ro tongmani aboni jagani documents ro oba hake kabama documents show khainani bagai a jaga SIR ni bisingti saklai jakhaisi as per aboni report no naima pore se je election commission of India decide khainai যে real genuine voters da na fake voters da na khai obo kuno purposefully kuno political party no fighter nan bagi da khlaijak kha aborok tabu khlaijak itong so Tripura haste wo kuno wana nani krei sungbo chaito guitongo ha bubagra chaito guitongo tai bini chaito mani bisingti je documents rok jaruri nangko guitongo oborok no sung the prasarok ni bisingti bahake sing solution klaiman we are trying our best haisi right so aboni ti kuno tension nangnai kare wana jaknai kare chinta nangjaknai kare okay tabuk te kaisa recently blaike ang kha dukhu nango tai bkhau kosto nang haisi recently sing haino hai te kaisa case manjau kha khoroksa bukhuk jut bisramganj area ni je Guwahati ni firo guitong fruit Tripura haste wo baso je mall station khlaijak mani hamya nozor bai nasik jak mani chaya samung sitra khlaini rok bai je tong hamya sitra tongnai rok bai je hamya nozor bai nasik jak mani aborok like case nu guitong tini India wo naine ni thangkang ke like one ama sincha haisi as per the National Crime Records Bureau the 2021 ni report ni mote 2021 ni report the National Crime Records of Bureau ni mote 31,677 every year ro India wo rape case ni bag registered Judi abo par dewo nainani thakangkai prai 86 jona every day India war rape case angmani sungnugu haisi report ni mote tabu very interestingly phaijau their report the Ministry of Women and Child Development the 2014 is 2019 jor report tiklai kya norok shocking jagane Tripura state ni the report ni mote 2014 to 2019 the Ministry of Women and Child Development ni bisingte the report kongma ni mote 0 Tripura kaisman rape case se unya 14 is 19 jora kintu reality wo the real sound of the state tongnai ro sung hai borok tongnai ro genuine citizen tongnai ro sung saimano Tripura wo judi nainani thangkai India ni judi nainani thangkai real data kari khangke Tripura wo se number 1 सबसे rape case tabu ungan haima tongangke jebabe broad daylight rogo sini bukuk juk songno misbehave khlaijago molestation khlaijago sal kathang rape khlaijak mani case rok sing kabang manugui tong haisi aborok ni bagai kintu the report do the Ministry of Women and Child Development no 0 nei rizak haisi kintu othoso practical naine thangai kabang ma ba hai case report nongkhori tongo Delhi se every month se singkhnai tongo every day hai se singkhnawi tongo hai se oba case thanai koyek mas ka khorokso bukukje bini college thang tongfru sal kathang broad daylight do khoroksa chaya khlaine borok otu bisingo bono yak rok mihimka hamya nozor bai nasika gali gulas khaikya oino bad intention bai engko khlaikya phole last dige habubagrani chaitok mungbai sung YTF no barjar mani pore sung abono krak ke protibat khaima pore police proshashan ni yago sung ya farman pore afruni only 12 hours by sung abo hai crime khai tongnai rokno sung romoi mankha kintu all the time to sung always everywhere sung sogi mani asin khorang bo I think society basana nangnai society awareness nangnai the society ni joto bororo over high case no tui over high incidents no tui over high situations no tui sung khorang mati sanai haisi sung tamunu jora jora nini buskang khorokso bukuk jug molestation khlaijak tongkha yak romjagi tongkha saya bororok bai torture khlaijagi tongkha sungwan sugoi ani le tam thang ani tam lena dena o jagawo it is better that I keep silent no my friend a bukuk jug ni case ngma hai tomorrow it may be in your family as well nini nu khungobo ngmanu khana nini jati ni bisingo bo abo hai case ngi manu a taimo nung blame ta khadi kebo kok saya ne haisi so abo ni bagai sung joto society wo je jaga wo ba hai incident sung tong hangkai gana gini ni bororo judi obo hai incidents no nugui tong hangkai saimani tong hangkai norok khorang mati sanai ma chubanai help ma khainai protect ma khainai tai women's ni safety no tai bo krak khai banchi rena ni bagai rag rena ni bagai every one of us ni responsibility tong haisi right so ang tai bo ma chau tang ni dino kebang masina agur tola pori tong nai bukuk juk songrok bo norok no ba ang yak jur khai request khayu judi no kunu jaga rogo nongkhorna ni thangkangke tuition rogo thanan thangkangke kun furo hor no tuition ma khayo coaching ma khayo study ma khayo ontoto parents rokno inform khlaidi tai logi borok tong mang khangke blai ke chawo tai always know Gana Guinea is a police station sokni contact number tong khangkai blai ke chao any incident sang khangkai immediately report khaina ni bagai any incident sang kai immediately kebono sahorna ni bagai am bagai norok no ang koijao je pori tongnai students rok samung khai tongnai je sini bukuk juk song ontoto Gana Guinea ni police station sokni contact number tongna ni bagai emergency helpline tongna ni bagai tai man khangke important samung khai sin sa horogo nongkhordi hayake avoid khlaidi horni 9 10 ta rogo yang nongkhorna ni haisi en nongkho kangkai ontoto nini friends rok ni knowledge tondi te man khangkai saisung yakare borok rokbai thangna ni bagai abo nangku go haisi tini kabang ma wa case ungkongui tongu the rapist rock borokunu religion sia borokunu caste sia haisi anyone abo hai tongui tongu haisi India wo abo hai blai case bari za thasik saka national crime records of Bureau 2021 31,677 every year ongui tongu pardese prai 86 case nugui tongu haisi abuni bagai sung overok no blai ke aware ngna ni naw parents rok bo time to time information nai tong na ngo boni sajak song boni sajala song boro thangi tong boro pori tong bo jaga wo coaching khlai tong bo jaga wo jobs khlai tong abrok jotto no informations nawi tong na ni naw haisi ka abuni bagai sung safety ni bagai sini sak ni ingko ni bagai sung jotono obo hayo sak thari sung safety sak no matoni nai haisi so blai ke important tai blai ke kha dukhu na haisi tabuk ni jorao je obo hai case sung tongmani rape case sung tongmani society rok sung ma basanai society rok sung thansamang nai society rok joto thansangman bisingtei obo hai bororok ni against sung kok mati sanai right takte kisah seng topik political je awareness niti seng kisah kok salainya kebang ma tabuk doubt engzagu thanai 2nd March 2024 o Tiprasa Accord eba tripartite je accord sign klaika 3 stakeholders Government of India, Government of Tripura te Tipramo thani bisingte o je tripartite accord tabuk phano implement inya khoni bagai kabang ma question khlaijagu bororok sungu biang thangka je Tipramo thani bobagrani accord khlaimani angobono sanani musungo bobagrani leadership by Tipramo tha accord sign khlaika accord sign khlaipano runai rokni authorities saboni thani a power stone central government je delay ngi tongmani abki Tipramo thamu sungui de delay khlairi ton central government je delay khai ton mani abki Tipramo tha dadagi ui de delay khlairi ton Tipramo tha jothesto pressurized khlainani bagi chai to guitong and pressure ribotong haise government of India no Minister of Home Affairs State the honorable home minister thanai Lok Sabha election no nini Kumar Gatov haye in front of thousands and thousands public ni biskango je saklaimani Tiprasa accord ni bisingte ab to fake ya so sini daitto tamo sengke sannai si renaya and riasa pojonto seng saninyo tongo sannai tai o accord no implement khlainani bagai ja khlainya nangmani seng khlainyo tongo haisi tabo ang sanani muso CPM high political party Congress high political party no instead of blaming Tipramo tha they should come together with Tipramo tha political party and pressurize to the government of India to the government of Tripura haisi amoni bagai sung omorok no sithai klayo haisi kaisa borok just political fight ni bagai political issues no te mileage na ni bagai Tipramo tha bubagra no blame khayu bannorok nukna ha bubagra national media o kok saitongo ha bubagra kabangma podcast the national o nini broadcast khaine rokbai connect ngai hani rights ni bagai Tiprasani rights ni bagai Tiprasani je jengzal ni bagai kok saitongmani ekta time o great Tipralen issues only Agartala hai jaga o kok sajago tini great Tipralen no sabo saimani tongsari Maharashtra hai jaga wo Maharashtra ni borok tini great Tipralen no support thai kok saitongo Bihar hai jaga wo Bihar ni borok tini great Tipralen no support khai kok saitongo tini Gujarat ni borok comments ni bising ti saitongo great Tipralen ungnani nangkugu ni haisi la othoso sini own state ni sini Tiprasa ro kubuni political party ni janda romja khne bubagrano hamia silsawoi great Tipralen ni birut khaitong are baba one suk thai klayo haisi Congress high political party khaye sabono kotor sanamna ba ha Sudip Rai Bormon high song boroknon kotor sanamna ni bagi Congress o khasik tona ni ble BJP high political party khay samno kotor sanamna Manik Saha song high boroknon sanamna ble Biplop Dev song high boroknon sanamna ble ha nini Tinku Rai song high boroknon sanamna ble Rajiv Bhattacharya song high boroknon sanamna ble ha CPM high political party khay samno kotor sanamna bagi khasik to Manik Sarkar song high boroknon sanamna ni bagi khasik to ni ble othoso hani soy genuine o hani malik ha bubagra je babe kokti sai tongo dofani bage hani bage rights no tumna ni bage abono khai logirena ni bage sing sakthariya kubuni dofani borokno ti sanani bage sing sakthari kokti sawi tong kubuni borokno kotor kok sanamna ni bage sing sakthari ti sai tong tinang miani incidents kisanukha tai saya ni tongpano mas hasinai ang CPIM ni khorokso leader Khoroksa leader CPIM ni sini brother Kumud Deborma ang bini proti respect tongo honor tongo tai bobai ani kuno personal engko bokri but yet ang mianu khabono je kaisa borok charta student organizations rok miliwoi Agartala kaisa agitation borok khlailakya Bengali aba Bangali bhasha tui borok kaisa kokti salaikya Bangali bhasha like important 10টা যে language सबसे important ni bisingo 5th number klai honi bo mia kok samani angkisa media o nukha haisi tini ang sini brother kumut no kok no sanani musungo jefuru Tripura Student Federations ro Tripura Indigenous Student Federations ro ba kwangma student organizations ro regional political party ro Roman script ni bagai amani kok borok ni bagai water cannon use khaijagai lathi charge use khaijagai lokabo dadawi suprage buzak fro kintu ekta kok support roi khadun ukjakmani moral support romani sungnugia kintu mia Bengali language ni bagai asak khadun ukjakaboro jotto thangai support khayo sini Tripura saro ang Bengali language ni birudia যথেষ্ট respect ai honor khayo tai bolia nijini amani bhasha kok borok no khibiwoi nijini language no pogoi kubuni dofani bagai kok tisaiman hungkai why can't you speak for the rights of our people haisi kok borok roman script niti to ekbar phano kok saya support khaimani sungnugia ha engkai aboni bagi sungwana thai one suk thai klayu CPIM political party thik no klayu hunpano jefuru dofani bagai hani bagai nijini sinimungni bagai hingkangke jotono pal baksage thansang thai klayu Manipuro Jeffrey Meti versus Kuki Rocky class tengi tongo BJP to Congress to joto political party ya kare one voice nge borok kintu ya kare hate dofani bai kokti shaw kintu sinor tam nukjak jati ni sai pano dofani sai pano somas ni sai pano political party se sungku sugo nukjak haisi aboni bagai sung blai ke one suk thai klayu political party thangnai phainai tini power tong khana power kring nai kintu ha dofani rights land rights political rights language ni rights obo sara jibon tongnani nangana haisi so ang konya ni musungu tabuk CPIM o sini Tripura sani bisingo pulit buruo porjonto membership tong sini borom ganang Jitendra Chaudhary bonoba ang konya ni musungu leader of oppositions nginai state assembly wo tripartite accord rong ni bagi kok sana ni bagi state assembly wo roman script ni bagi kok sana ni bagi state assembly bisingo nini Tripura sarok ni rights ni bagai kok sana ni bagai haisi sudu political party wo melar mato je pressurize khaijak ma be simi kok sakani ongya bono sung blai ke honor khayo respect khayo je leader of opposition no and I believe and I hope buskang ni salo bo Tripura sani rights ni bagai kok ti sanai Tripura sani je buskang ni nangkok mani rok ni bagai kok ti sanai haisi Judi kubuni dofharo bongni rights ni bagai political party no ya kare thansa manu ke sungti prasarok tangi mania thansa mang na haisi political party ni faida ni bagai ya for the rights of our people so ang koine ni musungo joto sini khapang ni takuktai bukuk songno norok bubagrano je poito khlais norok logi rekha a poito kunu dino bubagra maganang thana reglak a poito no kunu dino bo dhuka reglak bo tabuk bo saino tong haisi every day sunghai normal borok ise bo taibo bisi hard work khaye government of India no pressurize khaitong national level o tibrasani kok no sanani chai to guitong international level o sin tibrasani kok sanani chai to guitong tong haisi so sung kha logui na sing thai haisi je jorauni ni 25 30 35 বছর hai kubuni political party no support khaikya othoso kaisa land rights sung mani sunugya parliament o kaisa bar tibrasani rights ni bai kok sajang manugya illegal immigrants ni ti kok sajak manugya nor u din ni report no nukhana north east ni bising sobte illegal immigrants ni bagi tabu kok sanai ka sabo sine habubagra bo khoroksa chief minister buya bo khoroksa cabinet minister buya bo khoroksa nini national party ni leaders buya but yet bo tiprasani thui ingai je babe illegal immigrants ni ti kok saitong tini sara India snugui tong haisi amoni bagai bubagrani je chaitok mani bubagrani je khlai tong mani sung jotono logi re thai taibo masawo sini dofani bisingo baksa boro tini kaisa no khiklaina ni bagai kaisa no politically handicap khlaina ni bagai chaitok mani nasle laimani abo hai rajniti rok nukjagi tong haisi abo rok no sungmaya karthai sudu bukuk bai simi sung dofana hamjago dofani bagai sung thuinai jan pran rnai abai ingya haisi practical o sosoi de khlai tong abo sungman sukhai jotono sung every point so thansangi sung samuma khlai lai nai thansangi sung chobama khlai lai nai haisi so tai bara bisikok salia beskang ni salote bu connect nglai nai tai kabang ma je issues tomaro day by day sung kok salayene kha khayo tini je sung SIR ni kok samaro baksa borok clear ang khana tangi sung SIR nang and climbani pore tam steps sung nahar jangnai BLA rok ni tam important rules tong je boot level agent rok ni abro sung salakya tai je rape case molestation hamya sitra nasik nai rok ni case brai ke bari mani society rok sung thansa mang nai tai tiprasa accord je sign climbani 2nd March so abo implement nai sure 110% kintu sung logimar nai wait ma khaine patiently 1 year by sing asa khang ko jagum ke biking nai je jago 35 বছর kubuni political party no sung logi re khaisi tabuk ha bubagrano jothesto sung time mar nai haisi blai ke hambai haino hai jotono no tiprasa ayu block thung bubagra ayu block thung tai sini demand stock dakti numan thu hambai